Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we will guide you on how to put AV1 settings on auto mode in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. 1. Click on your profile picture. At the top right corner of the YouTube page, you will find your profile picture. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 2. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. This will take you to the YouTube settings page. Step 3. Click Playback and Performance. On the settings page, locate and click on the Playback and Performance tab. This is where you can customize your YouTube playback settings. Step 4. In AV1 settings, click on Auto. Scroll down until you find the AV1 section. Within that section, click on the Auto option to set AV1 settings on auto mode. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily put AV1 settings on auto mode while using YouTube on your PC. This will ensure optimal playback performance based on your device capabilities. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy your enhanced YouTube experience with AV1 settings on auto mode.